Congratulations! You have now become a blogger on Hive blockchain. You can publish your content, search for similar bloggers, join communities and meet new friends. But before you can conquer this world, we have to warn you about rules for successful blogging. First, don't spam. If you think that your ingenious publication for some reason has gone unnoticed or is underestimated, it doesn't mean that you need to repost it in all sorts of other communities. Don't post someone else's content pretending it is your own. This is the most serious sin on Hive. Once it is noticed by Hive supervisors, you can forget about your reputation forever. 3. While using other people's photos in your posts, you should indicate the original source or author of the photos. 4. Don't regard Hive as merely the source of income. You can often find bloggers whose posts are supposedly aimed at receiving awards. These posts don't carry any useful or at least entertaining information, but are exhibited several times a day. Such posts will be considered as spam by Hive community and will not be supported. These were the most important rules you have to follow. Further information will be presented in the next video. Interested? Subscribe to our channel and be sure to turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next video. This video is made with the assistance of cryptocurrency exchange platform Cryptex24. Cryptex24 round-the-clock simple and reliable control of your crypto assets. Enjoying this video? Vote Crypto Brewmaster for Witness to support our initiatives. You can find the link under this video. Thanks a lot!